Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys had a great day. Today I'm just gonna give you guys a quick video. It's gonna be on how to use Coinbase's tax calculator. So if you've been wondering how to use Coinbase's tax calculator, I'm just gonna show you guys how it's done. It's a simple step-by-step guide, and we're not gonna waste any time at all. So let's just jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can choose to log in on the mobile app on your mobile device, or you can choose to log in on the website through your computer. Now, once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the tax setter tab. Once that's done, you can click on tax calculator, and then you're going to enter the relevant tax information, and then you're going to use the tax calculator to estimate your tax obligations. Now, once you have the result, you can review that and make sure it's accurate. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Coinbase's tax calculator. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.